Hello children, welcome to computer class. Today we will be learning more MSW logo commands. So let us see how to open MSW logo. So here you can see MSW logo. Double click on that icon and you will get MSW logo screen in this way. Now first let us understand the components of the logo screen. As usual, you all know this is title bar and you have a menu bar here, and these three are called control buttons. This is a scroll bar to move your page up and down, and here you can see a triangle. Can you see triangle here? So this is called as turtle. Okay. This is a commander window. Here also you have control buttons here. This place 6 control buttons you have, and this place is called as recall list box. And here you have a input box. This is a input box. Here whatever input you are going to give, that gets stored in this recall list box. According to the input what you are giving here, the turtle starts moving. Now let us see how to move the turtle. The first command we are learning now is forward command or FD command. Now I am going to give command FD. I am writing FD here and giving a space FD 100, FD space 100, and press enter key. You can see the turtle is moving here. You can see the turtle is moving. Can you see the line which it has drawn? The turtle has drawn the line now. Now let us learn backward command. So in the same place input box you have to give backward command, that is BK space 100. 100 means 100 steps it has gone forward here. So I am giving BK space 100. That means the turtle should travel back 100 steps. Now I am going to press enter. You see the command came back. Here you can see the command has come back to its original position. That means 100 steps it has gone forward. It came 100 steps backward when I gave BK command. Now let's learn how to turn the pointer of the turtle to left. So RT means right turn. RT space 90 degree. So I am going to turn the turtle to 90 degree towards right. RT space 90 I have given and I am pressing enter. You can see the turtle is pointing its pointer towards right side. Now you can move it by giving FD space 100. So since its pointer is pointing towards right side, it's going to move forward 100 steps towards right side. Now you can again turn the turtle to left side, LT space 90 degree 90, and say enter. Now you can see how it is going to turn towards left side. Again FD space 100, it's going to move forward 100 steps. Again right turn, left turn, LT space 90 degree, enter. You can see how it has turned left side. Again FD space 100, it's going to move towards its left turn 100 steps. So this is the way you can make the turtle move by giving the commands. Now let us see how the home command works. See, I am going to input command home in the input box and press enter. Now you can see how the turtle have come back to its home position. Now if you want to draw a new shape using these commands, you need to clear the screen. So what is the command to clear the screen? It is CS. Give the command CS in the input box and press enter. The screen will be cleared. You can see how the screen appears now. Now let us learn the command set H. SET H, set H. So set H command is used to rotate the turtle to the right by a specified angle in its home position itself. Now let us see how it works. Give set H in the input box, give a space, and if you give 90, the value 90 degree and press enter, you can see how the turtle turns towards 90 degree from the place, from the home position. You can see how it has changed its position there. Now let us do a trial again to draw a square. FD space 100, then RT, it is sorry, not RT, LT space 90, it turns its direction. FD space 100, it moves towards the direction. Again it is LT space 90 degree, enter, it turns its direction. From there FD space 100, that means it moves 100 steps forward. Again it has to get turned towards left side. LT space 90 and then FD space 100. It completes drawing the square. Now if you want to clear the screen, it is CS. Now here in this recall list box, you can see whatever commands I have given, it is taken here. You want to clear this recall list box, then you have to give the command CT. CT means clear text. Enter. You can see the commands which you had given is cleared. And if you want to clear the screen here where you have drawn the square, CS. Enter. CS means clear screen, so the screen gets cleared. So now let us learn the next command, set pen color. Now you have seen the turtle is drawing the lines in black color. If you want to draw your square or whatever shapes you want in different color, you can use set pen color so that you can draw the shapes in different colors. Now let me input set pen color in the input box, give a space, and I am going to give the value 5. So 5 has a color. Let us see what color. Set pen color space 5 I have given. I am pressing enter. Now I will make the turtle move forward. FD space 100, enter. Now you can see the turtle has drawn the line in pink color. So that is how you can set pen color, give a space and assign a value. You will get different colors and you can draw the shapes in different colors too. So there is one more command called set pen size, using which you can set the pen size, and CS is used to clear the screen. You can see CT is used to clear the text, and print command is used to print the text. Label command is used to write any text or number on the main screen. So practice these many commands. Download logo, Microsoft Windows logo, and try to work out these commands which I have taught you. I'll continue the next part in the next video.